Autodesk Building Design Suite is a comprehensive software solution that combines BIM and CAD tools to help you take advantage of Autodesk's portfolio of software for architecture. Design, visualize, simulate, document, and build better buildings with a set of tools that supports an end-to-end project workflow. Design better buildings. Built for building information modeling, Autodesk Revit helps you model design concepts and more accurately maintain your vision through documentation and construction. Any design change you make is updated throughout your project, keeping design and documentation coordinated and more reliable. Communicate your ideas more clearly and effectively to help win business and gain stakeholder approval. Autodesk Showcase provides an easy-to-use, real-time 3D presentation and rendering tool that helps transform designs into compelling imagery, movies, and live presentations. When you're ready to produce jaw-dropping visuals of your designs, Autodesk 3ds Max Design provides advanced modeling, rendering, and animation tools to help architects create cinematic-quality visuals. Use integrated simulation tools to help inform design decisions earlier in the process. Energy analysis tools in Autodesk Revit provide architects with powerful, cloud-based analysis capabilities that enable you to quickly gain insight into the energy consumption and building life cycle costs of conceptual and detailed designs, helping you design more sustainable buildings. Create more consistent, higher-quality construction documentation with powerful tools that provide native DWG support and automation tools that minimize repetitive tasks and speed time to completion. Improve control over project outcomes by sharing valuable design insight with all project stakeholders. Autodesk Navisworks enables the integration of multiple 3D models and data formats into a single model that architects, engineers, and contractors can analyze and review for better coordination, conflict resolution, and planning long before construction begins. The Autodesk Building Design Suite is a comprehensive software solution that combines BIM and CAD tools to help you design, visualize, simulate, document, and build better buildings. To explore which capabilities best fit your specific industry workflow needs, download a free trial and experience the complete tool set for yourself.